In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a focus stack using Affinity Photo. If you've ever photographed a subject with a lot of depth, like a macro scene, a product, or a detailed landscape, you know that a single shot can't keep everything sharp. Focus stacking solves that by combining multiple images, each focused at a different point, into one crisp, fully focused result. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so you can get a clean stack without stress. First, prepare your photos. You'll need multiple images of the exact same subject, shot from the same position, with each frame focused on a different area. A tripod is highly recommended to keep your composition identical from shot to shot. For consistency, keep your exposure, white balance, and focal length the same across all images. Avoid changing your zoom or moving the camera between shots, and use a timer or remote trigger to minimize vibration. Try to step your focus forward through the scene, front to back or back to front, so you cover the entire depth. Consistent lighting helps, and if anything in the scene can move, like leaves or fabric, secure it to prevent misalignment artifacts. Once you've captured the set, transfer all the images to your computer and make sure they're clearly labeled or grouped together. Now, create the focus merge in Affinity Photo. Open the app and go to File, then choose New Focus Merge. In the dialog that appears, click Add, select all of your focus images, and click OK. Affinity will automatically align the frames for you, compensating for tiny shifts, and then blend the sharp areas together into a single composite. The process may take a little time depending on your file sizes and the number of images, so let it run to completion. When the merge finishes, you'll see a merged image along with the individual source layers underneath. The top result is your focus stacked composite, while the layers below show how each original shot contributed to the final image. Take a moment to review the result at 100% or higher. Scan along edges and find textures, especially in areas with lots of depth transitions, to make sure everything looks natural. If you spot halos or soft patches, that usually indicates movement between frames or missing focus coverage during capture. Otherwise, if everything looks sharp and seamless, your focus stack is already complete and ready for whatever you plan to do next.